Your girl is in her hair influencer era. Let's not even pay attention to this all back because see, we'll talk about this hair at another time. Today we are doing a hair unboxing and installation. So I got this hair from Ovitaira. I always struggle to pronounce it. I got this hair from Ovitaira, and today I'm going to be testing it on. I mean, I've seen it, you get, but I've not worn it on my head, you know. I'm still scared because this is like my first high-end purchase for hair. I'm sure that in some people's budgets it's not high-end, but in my own budget this is expensive stuff. Do you understand? So let's do it. First of all, I like the packaging because the hair I bought is not even getting to here in this packaging, but then they actually were intentional about this, so this makes a lot of sense, and it's actually cute. It looks good. So when you open, this is what we see inside. Another, you know, branding and all of that. Cute. I'm just so happy because all these bags are going to be so useful for me. I'm someone that hoards bags for stuff, like, because there might be a reason for me to use it in the future. Hey, I'm a big girl now. Don't tell me. Nobody can tell me nothing. Can you tell it's already shaking? And it smells like new hair. Don't ask me how I know. I used to be a hairstylist, so let's just leave it at that. Okay, so let me bring out my pack of combs. I wanted to get hair brushes yesterday. I haven't gotten that because the girl has run out of funds for survival till further notice. My trusty pack of combs. I guess I'm just going to be using this tail comb from the pack to style the hair. I actually wish I got a spray tint. I don't know if you guys know that, but I feel like hair people know what I'm talking about. There's usually a kind of spray tint that can be used. I wish I got that, but then money, everything is money, so I'll just stick to using the regular foundation. Actually, I checked the inside and I like the fact that I think it was sewn by someone, but at the same time I guess they used the machine. Everything is so neat. So let's put it on. And also they use a breathable cap, and I like that. Like, the cap has net. Yes. I'm already looking expensive, please. Everything expensive, everything cute. The hair is moving so much. Okay, let's comb it out. Oh Gachi, come down. Is that what they said in the song? I don't know. Okay, so this is what we have. I really like it. I like it a lot. I don't think I'm plucking any hairline though, because at the end of the day, most of the time I'm probably going to be wearing the wig like this, or at most just like this, you get, or with a headband or something. So there's no need for me to pluck any hairline. Before you go and pluck hairline, see a net now. So this is the net it comes with. I'm going to put my foundation on the net and like around the edges so that it matches with my skin tone. And I feel like there's a little bulge in here, but I guess that's just because of the way it was packaged to travel, you get now. So I'm going to straighten it and I'll show you guys the whole process. So let's put the foundation first. So this is my foundation. I'm currently not as dark as this anymore, so I'm going to be mixing this foundation from Blossom Makeup, her nude story. What's the shade safe? In the shade Chestnut. Beauty Influencer Pearl. In the shade Chestnut. Okay. And my, also, wow, coincidence. Blossom Makeup, her nude story too. Concealer. I don't think, does this one have shade? You know, get you. You didn't have, they didn't write the name. It comes with a code, so I'm mixing that on my palette. Girls, gone are the days of mixing foundation at the back of my hand, because I am now a big girl. Actually, this palette is from Didi Beauty. You guys should get yourself some instead of always messing up the back of your hand. Okay, you're a big girl, bigger than that now. So I'm just mixing these two together. My shade still a bit lighter, more dark. I guess this is closer to my tone. Wait, though, be like say I don't black back. Let me just try it with the foundation itself without mixing, because I don't get what's going on. What's happening? I want to do me. So this is the foundation. I guess the foundation itself is actually closer to my tone. Okay, so personally, I just like to apply it on only the line. I don't know if you guys can see, but me, I can see where the center parting line is. So I'm just going to apply that on it from the other side, because I don't know, the idea of putting it from that front, I don't really buy into it. I like to apply it from the back, so that from the back it will then seep into the front. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but it makes sense in my brain. Just hope it makes sense to you. Now for the edges part. The most beautiful girl that I have ever known. Do you guys listen to Bruno Major? If you don't, you should. He's going to make you feel so beautiful with his songs, you know. It's cute, it's cute. Let's see what we are working with now. See? So let me go in with a more dense brush to just spread it out a bit more, because I don't even know how I want to cut this lace. So if this is your first time coming across this girl, okay, follow me now. Keep tabs on me, pay attention to this page, watch this space. Whatever English you like us to speak to you, we are ready. And I'm ready to collab with hair brands. Oh my god. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I think that makes sense now. Although it feels like this space is still lacking. So I'll just go over whatever is left on the brush and apply at the top. Let me wear it back now. When I first saw the wig, there was no elastic band in it. So in my mind, I was like, this is not great. Or what if it's bigger than me or something? But it is my perfect size. As if they looked at my head from the phone and like, this will be this girl's head size. This is my issue with lip gloss and hair. So me too, I'll start this struggle with you people. Yeah, so this is more like it is giving. You guys, I'm so scared to cut the lace. What if I go and cut absolute trash? What if I cut rubbish? This is really nice. So this is really nice. Okay, so let me just pack some of the hair behind so that I can see what I am doing with the lace. I got these clips from Tricks Essentials on Instagram and on TikTok. So they're a hair brand or a hair and accessory brand. Oh my god. Aha, perfect. Yep. I have this little scissors and I'm about to begin to cut. Oh, my daddy, your baby is singing. Hey, let me cut from far first so that these people will tell us cut in a zigzag manner. Abibeko, no. I'm trying to cut far from the hairline first, so that in case I make any mistake, it's not too bad. It's not too late. You get. Okay. We're getting there. We are going higher. I feel like some part of it is still whitish. Why am I even doing this when I will cut this thing now? I don't know, should I cut this thing on my head or bring it down? Okay. There's still so much lace actually. Come closer, you'd see the hairline, see the lace. I'm scared. Okay. It's beginning to look like it. It's beginning to give. This one, I don't think I don't think I want to cut this side off, because at the end of the day, hair would always cover it anyways. So back to this center. Okay. Let me see a mirror so that I see clearer. I feel like this side is giving more. Right? There's still some part left to cut. I'm trying to make it perfect. I'm trying to make it perfect, but at the same time, I don't want to do past myself and go and spoil this lace. I feel like this is already great. Like this is great, right? Can you see what I'm saying? Like this is perfect. Let me just leave it like this. Actually, if you don't come close enough, where's the hairline? Think about it. Think about it, okay? Let me remove the pins. Once you can't see this particular side anymore, can you see? Perfect. So this hair is a 5x5 closure. Is that what they said? Yes, I think that's what they told me. 5x5 closure. Okay, so now I'm just going to straighten it so that I can actually appreciate the beauty of the bob. Do you get? Oh, you guys, I think I did a great job. I did a perfect job. Come on. Where's the lace? Lace where? Lace where? Nowhere to be found. So my hair straightener, the name has clean though, but I got it a while back. I think when I got it, it was like 9,500. Only God knows how much it should be now. Because the other day, I tried to order hot comb online, and the prices I was seeing, I was like, what? Had I known that this is what it would have become, I would have made this purchase a long time ago. But then I didn't have the need for it because I didn't have the type of wigs that required it. Do you get? This country, you cannot even say, oh, when it's this time I'll purchase it. Just be buying everything in advance, because you never really know when you will need that thing, and the price will be times 10. It has adjustments. Let me put it at the highest. Should be an original woman head. They my head. Oh, you guys, I'm so happy. Look at how my hand is just running through the hair. It is giving. It is soft. It is so soft, guys. So soft. My dream hair. I think I want to reduce some of my lip gloss because this hair is really beginning to piss me off. Let me just remove the whole thing. I got this clip. I've been wanting this clip for the longest, guys. I got it from Tricks Essentials. You can actually purchase any of all your hair accessories from them. Fast delivery, everything great. And just clip, let me see. Wait. Now me no clip and well, just wait. Okay, let me just clip this side first. I feel like the clip is not enough. I still need this as well. So you know what? Yes, let me start from down and work my way up. Yeah, it's hot, man. Let me reduce it. Okay. And the way it just forms immediately the hair straightener touches it, bliss. Okay, so let me just flatten this space. See, this is why I need a hot combo. Let's just hope. Oh, this is actually working fine. Lace is just so perfect. It is giving all it should. Where's the lace, huh? I mean, if you come close enough, you can see it. But why do you want to enter me from afar like this? Can you see anything? Can you see the lace? No, you cannot. No, you cannot. See how my hair is shaking. Oh, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful, guys. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this human hair installation video. I'm going to be seeing you in my other videos. Please make sure to like, share, and yeah, you're going to be seeing me in another video.